Hey everyone, welcome back to day 12 of Road to 500k to funding. I hope you all started your week very, very well. I indeed started my week on a positive note, apart from the fact that I lost my 25k phase 2 last week. So I have, in the last 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, I have thought about a lot of things. I have went over a lot of things. I reanalyzed what I have to do ahead from here, and I probably right now I feel the most confident because I have a set game plan as to what to do, what is the risk percentage that I have to take, how to go ahead from here. So I'll be going to the laptop right now. I'll be recording what are the trades that I took today, what is the risk that I'm taking, where is my equity standing right now, and how are we moving ahead from here, and what is my analysis on popular pairs like gold, dollar, NQ, and all this stuff. So yeah, just keep watching the video. Hey everyone. So basically, there was only two trades that I took today, and three trades that I took today. And my current equity on my 20k fires account is standing at $20,130 or something like that, somewhere over 20,100. That means I am up 0.5 percentage on my trading account as of now. Now what is the game plan over here? I will just give you a quick idea. So basically I have to make $1,600, right? Which means that I have to make 16 hour, right, to calculate in simple terms. So my risk per trade will be somewhere around 0.5 percentage. I will not risk more than that. And in order to make $1,600, I'll be risking $100 per trade. And I'll basically have to make $1,600 out of that, which means that if at all I take $100 risk per trade and I'm able to make at least uh, you know maybe 200 or $300 out of the trade, then what really happens is it will take me not more than 8 to 10 trades to actually clear this particular account. And to clear and to take 8 to 10 good trades, right, it will at least take me somewhere close to 1 to 2 weeks. So that is the expected timeline to clear this phase one. That is the expected game plan which I am carrying forward, and I'm going to do this with a certain amount of discipline so that I will not lag behind to whatever I'm promising or to whatever goals I'm setting for myself. So this is the entire goal. $1,600 I have to make. 16 hours, 0.5 percentage is equals to $100. $100 minimum your risk, and sorry, maximum risk, and 200 $300 is my reward, and 8 to 10 good trades. That's it. Okay, so even if I have losing trades and even if I have 60 to 70% win rate, I should probably get this funding cleared, phase one cleared in 15 to 16 trades, or maybe 14 to 15 trades. So this is the entire game plan. Now how did I take trade today? So if you take a look at USD CAD, you will be able to understand that I was short on USD CAD and I made 2.7 hour in this particular trade for today, right? Now you might ask me, if you made 2.7 hour, how is your account standing at 20,130? It should stand at 20,270. That is because the day I bought this account on Friday, I took gold short, and I lost around $140 on that particular trade. So we will be leaving this particular trade out of the equation, and we will be focusing on freshly taken trades, and we will continue our journey from there. So let's quickly remove all of this out of the screen, and we shall understand why I took this trade today. So as you can see, USD CAD on a hourly time frame, you will be able to understand that there is a wick which was formed on 26th of November, and we reached to the 50% of that. So a lot of you guys who might be trading ICT, you must be knowing that if uh, a price reaches 50% of wick and is trying to reverse, there is a high chance of reversal. So USD CAD started reversing from there, and once it started reversing, as you can see, it swept Asian highs. Okay, so in the London session, it swept Asian highs and it started reversing. So you can call this as accumulation, manipulation, and the distribution. So if we come to the 5 minutes time frame, what we can understand is there is a bearish order block forming. So this particular candle over here, this particular candle over here is my bearish order block. I took my entry around this order block. Okay, once this order block was closed, right? This, sorry, this is the order block, not that one. This is the order block. So it swept the previous candle highs and it broke down as well. So I took my entry over here. This high was protected, so this high was my stop loss. My stop loss was $100, and surprisingly I actually aimed for 1 is to I aimed for this level. Right now you guys might ask me that why that level, because on a fib, if you see this entire up move from the bottom to the top, this was the 0.32 level. Right, this level was the 0.32 level, and I wanted to actually aim till this level, and which eventually it got to that level, right? But since I wanted to get out of the drawdown, I wanted to start it on a fresh note, I actually exited this, and it's pretty good actually. It's not that bad. I got a 1 is to 3, and I was pretty happy with it, and I'm okay to let go of these moves if at all my appetite is full. Right, it's not like I'm knowingly letting go of these moves, but if at all my appetite is full, I am ready to let go of these moves. Okay, so again I made 2.7 hour on this particular trade. Now let's move on to the second trade. What was the second trade that I took? If you can see USD CHF, what can you see? Picture perfect setup for me. At least for me it was a picture perfect setup. Why? On a daily there is a fair value gap, and we swept previous day high, which means IRL, and I aimed that it can go till the ERL. Right, now if you see it on a weekly, there is a fair value gap over here. There is a fair value gap, but if you see it on a monthly, there is a fair value gap over here as well. Right, this can be called as a fair value gap as well. So there are multiple PD arrays on this particular trade. So I my bias on Dixie was bearish, and I went short. Now the worst thing that can happen was I found the perfect entry. Okay, I found a great entry. I put my stops above here, right, and I put my target over here, right, to the ERL, but it only got till the half, which is 2.5 hour. So it was giving me what do you say, 2.5 hour on this particular trade. I was actually getting 2.5 hour, which I could have ended the day at 5 hour, but I chose not to book it. I put my stops at cost, and eventually I got out near cost, and I assumed that Dixie is reversing, so I missed out on 2.5 hour. So I am still thinking, should I make my reward what do you say, a fixed kind of reward, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, or I should be flexible along with the market. So I'm not really sure as to what should I do as of now. But if at all I feel that this 2.5 hour or 3 hour is it is able to make me better, or it is able to improve my trading, I will continue that only. So this is how I got it closed out of it cost. And then the third trade that I was trying to take was gold, because if you see gold, it is on a 1 hour fair value gap over here, and after 1 hour fair value gap you go to 5 minutes, right? And on a 5 minute you can see a FVG forming over here with lows being swept, highs being broken. So I thought it's a picture perfect trade, but again there was some catch. Nothing can be as perfect as it is. So I took an entry, but as soon as again it came back on it came back to cost, I got out. I could not accept the risk. That's the reason, right? And plus this was not a great setup as well, and you can see eventually it failed only. So these are the three trades basically that I took. I'm overall up 2 hour, 2.7, 2.5 hour for the day. I'm overall up 2.7 hour for the day, or 2.5 hour for the day, which is absolutely wonderful. So right now I need more 15 hour. Okay, and to get that I want to take at least 7 to 8 good trades. Now I know my accuracy can't be 100 percentage, so I am assuming I'll be taking 10 trades at least. okay, and I will be trying to make on an average 2.5 to 3 hour on each given trade to actually get through this phase 1 account. The same goes for my 6k live as well. It is in drawdown of 5%, so I need to make again 15 hour or 16 hour on that particular account as well. So I'll be copying the same trades into my funded next live account as well. So yeah, this is everything from my end, guys, and my view for tomorrow is nothing. I actually have no view. This is one of the setups that I found in euro, but I did not take it a breaker. And because obviously the bias is not clear, I don't know what we can expect from market, hence I did not take this setup. But yeah, it seems to be running well. But anyways, we'll be seeing it tomorrow. It's 1:20 a.m. in India as of now, so no more trades. So yeah, let's see what are the opportunities we present, the market presents to us from tomorrow, and we will continue from tomorrow onwards. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you all have a great day ahead, and yeah, I'll catch you guys up again tomorrow night. Bye bye. That was all the update that I wanted to give to you guys about the start of the week. I'll again see you guys tomorrow with the update. I hope we have a good day tomorrow as well. And I'll be taking the trades as I told you in the video with the 0.5 percentage risk, and I'll be getting the best trades available out there. And yeah, we shall meet again tomorrow.